Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys split screen. Unfortunately, Fall Guys does not officially support local split-screen multiplayer on Xbox One. This means you cannot play with 2 or more players on a single console using a divided screen. The game is fundamentally built for online-only matches, accommodating up to 60 players in a single chaotic round. To play with friends, each person needs their own Xbox console and a separate copy of the game. The primary reason for this design choice lies in the game's core mechanics. Fall Guys is built around massive online competitions involving dozens of players simultaneously. Implementing split screen for such a large-scale game would likely lead to significant performance issues, including reduced frame rates and lower visual quality on a single console. The developers prioritize a smooth, consistent experience for each individual player within the expansive online arenas. While local split screen isn't an option, you can still enjoy Fall Guys with your friends through its robust online multiplayer. You can easily invite up to 3 friends to form a squad, creating a team of 4 players. Each friend will need their own Xbox console and a copy of the game. Once your squad is formed, you can join public matches or even create custom lobbies to compete together against other online players, working as a cohesive unit. If local split-screen gaming is a must for your group, consider exploring other fantastic Xbox titles that natively support this feature. While Fall Guys currently focuses on its online experience, game developers sometimes introduce new features based on community demand and technical feasibility. Keep an eye on official Fall Guys announcements and social media channels for any potential updates regarding local multiplayer options in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.